Okay guys, now we will write, as I promised, some handy examples of recursion, and the first thing we will write is factorial math function using recursion. So we'll create in our test project a new file called factorial.js and put the code in it. So remember, in recursion we have termination case, a recursion body, and we must have one function and a place to contain that function. And that place is const, and we will call it factorial and put in it a function with one argument number, with the help of which we will define the number for which we want to calculate our factorial. And first we write termination case. Here we have two variants, either number is equal to 1 or number is equal to 0. In both cases the last value must be 1, return 1 in body. So no difference, I will use 0 just for explain you that no difference. In previous example we had 1. So now we will have return n times factorial with n minus 1. So we'll try to understand why this works. Let me write something here to explain you. As we know, factorial is function that is the product of all numbers up until 2n, so it equals to 1, 2, 3, etc. times n. We can refer to this by we can divide this part, 1 minute, etc. n times n minus 1. Divide that from n times n. As you can see here we already have thing that is factorial itself, and it is factorial of n minus 1. So we have that n factorial is equal to n minus 1 factorial times n. We use that fact as a recursion, and it is eventually recursion in math. So we'll translate it to programming and to GS and write this, and let's check if it works. We'll call console log. Okay, document.write to see that two things work. Document.write factorial called with for example 6, and plus change the line. Okay, and also we'll have 3, for example, just for fun, to see it exactly works for every number. Okay, just add a reference to it in our index file. We'll do some trick. Okay, we can now check here what happened. Region. Oh, sorry. Okay. Now we have 720 and 6. It works. It will work if you don't do such dumb errors. Don't do that. Okay, hope you understand that. If you don't, listen to this part. So we will explain recursion once again. We call it with 3. GS goes into function, checks if 3 equals to 0. It's not. It returns 3 times factorial 2. We don't have factorial 2, so it calls function again with 2. Number is equal to 2. However, it is not equal to 0, so it calls 2 times factorial 1. Factorial 1, so number is 1, but 1 not equals to 0, so it calls again 1 times factorial 0. 0 is equal to 0, it returns 1, our loop ends and it returns 1 times 1, then it goes to 2 times 1, and then 2 times 1 goes and multiplies with 3, we have 3 times 2, and we have 6, and then 6 goes here, and then 6 will print on our HTML page. The same works with 6, so in case of when argument is 6, it's the same thing. And okay, hope this video helped you to understand both factorial function and recursion once again. So make sure to subscribe, thumbs up if you like the video, and comment down below if you want. The Robert was with you, and I will see you guys later.